First of all, I want to personally congratulate you on taking action today. With your access to the VP Toolkit optimization site suite, you have already invested in a key element to taking your WordPress blogs to the next level. Now, let me fast track you. You now have all the tools you need to make your blog run faster, rank higher, attract more visitors. The next first step is to make sure your visitors stick around reading your content and clicking on your links so you can instantly convert all your new blogs visitors into money into your pocket. And in order to help you do just that, we are going to do something we have never done before and probably never will again. We are going to give you instant access to 6 of our top selling WordPress plugins, and we will do it for a fraction of normal price. Here's everything you will get access to today. VP Smart Links. Value of this is $47. VP Smart Links is the world's first all-in-one link clocker with powerful smart bridge technology that allows you easily make more sales with retargeting while completely eliminating the risk of losing any sales or affiliate commissions. Most link blockers fail as their links are blocked on the social media sites and therefore cannot be shared. VP Link Smart Links not only ensures that your blog links can be shared on social media, it maximizes your profit potential from every single share. Blog niche tools. The value of this is $47. The world's first all-inclusive 3-in-1 blogging toolkit that automatically splits out unlimited hyper-profitable niche blog in minutes. Niche blog tools lets you easily research trending keywords, grab higher converting images, bulk PLR articles, and automatically creates new posts to quickly set up unlimited profitable niche blogs, all from inside one simple to use WordPress plugin site and with zero writing issues. Send me a copy of screenshot of a purchase to my Instagram ID for free ebooks. Check out the website link below in the description box. VP Video Magic. The value of this is $37. Instantly boost your VP blogs and video marketing with the exact same technology that powers Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and Spotify. VP Video Magic is the first WordPress plugin to make it one-click simple to quickly add Amazon S3 and CloudFront videos to any blog, while putting you in full control and giving you all the power to transform your blog into a highly converting video sales machine. VP Traffic Guide. Value of this is $37. Instantly boost your income with these self-optimizing set and forget ads that automatically stuck in poor profit sales from lost traffic. VP Traffic Guide is the world's first click WordPress plugin that instantly gives you fully monetized set and forget 404 error pages. When showing you exactly why and how your 404 error happens so you can plug in any holes and optimize your revenue in real time. Blog Link Magic. Value of this is $27. Link any keyword to any offer on your any content. Import and export your keywords. Link list to replicate on any blog. Includes ready-made links to get you up and running immediately. Change, update old broken links across your whole site. Create your own list of links to any other sites. Choose your own links. Slug name works with any links. ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc. It doesn't matter how big your suite is or how old the content is in this plugin. We'll go through and create a linked keywords to high paying affiliate offers to do a lot. VP Ultimate Ads $27 value. The complete blog monetization plugin gets more leads and higher click-through rates for more profits. Theme ads. In content ads that blend in for better click rates. Ad bar, grab visitor attention with a psychological cheat. Pop-up messenger, use social conversation habits for more conversation. Pop under, the killer pop for building your list on steroids. We are 100% committed to helping your experience the success you deserve. We want to make absolutely sure you get most out of the VP Toolkit optimizing of the 6 plugins and your WordPress blog in general. So if you take advantage of this offer today, they will include over 100 quality WordPress traffic and marketing training videos at no cost. Basic traffic strategy, advanced traffic strategy, how to build a digital e-commerce site, getting a site started with SEO, video marketing, YouTube marketing. That's just one catch. As we said, this is very limited of special offer. This 6 plugins and all 100% videos are still selling individually every single day, and we plan to keep it up that way. You will never see this bundle ever again, and certainly not at such a low price. In fact, that's why this is an exclusive one-time offer for very few members. Your 50% discount is only available right here on this page. If you leave an attempt to come back, this page will go on. You have to make decision right now. You know this puts pressure on you. So to ensure you take advantage of this one-time offer and make decision as soon as possible. You can try out completely risk-free. We don't want your money unless you're completely blown away. So if for any reason at all you don't achieve the results we have promised you today, you are protected by our 60-day no question asked money back guarantee. Yep, we are taking on the risk so you don't have to. That's how confident we are that you are going to love the decision issues. Act now, because and we said this special offer is very limited. It's available for this page today, and you will certainly not see everything included at this low again. So take action today. Check out the website link below in the description box for more videos. Like, comment and subscribe this video.